Okay, so we've addressed some of the issues that are around carpet tiles, for example, as floor finishes. We haven't really spoken much about wall finishes, and I guess the most commonly used application is paint.
Yeah.
What sort of problems do you see with paint in the current environment?
I suppose the problems with paint, I think the biggest one is that it has to be repainted on a quite a regular basis. So if you've got an office environment where people are maybe backing their chairs up against the wall and there's bumps and scuffs and scrapes, then that's going to have to be repainted every 6 months, 12 months. The other thing to remember as well is paint can get flaky. And so if that flaky paint sort of comes off the walls, then there's places for bacteria to hide. It's very difficult to disinfect paint once it starts flaking. And I don't know if you've ever had that experience at home where you're trying to clean the walls, or you've spilled some red wine on the walls, and then you try and clean it off with a sponge, and you get the red wine off, but you also get quite a bit of paint as well. Certain emulsion is water based, so it's sort of coming off.
Well, you obviously been around to my house with the red wine.
Yeah. Yeah, so I mean, and we're not talking, you don't have to go full hygienic like you would in a hospital wet room or an operating theatre, but you could install something like Altro Fortis up to dado height.
Yeah.
So you covered for your bumps and scuffs with your chairs. You can steam clean it. You can wipe it clean. It's attractive. It's quite a subtle product. Or you could do something with Altro satins. So you could also have that floors and walls hygienic system in an office space without looking too clinical.
Yeah. I remember seeing quite a nice image that we've put together on our website that shows an office environment with both the floors product complementing the wall protection with Fortis, door sets, and I think it was Digiclad actually on that image too. It just goes to show how nice an office space can look using hygienic products like Altro floors and walls.
Yeah, no, absolutely. Yeah. And also showed the zoning you can do on the floors as well. So you could use 2 shades of the wood adhesive free to show, social distancing over 2 meters. You could also have, if you've got a skilled installer, he could actually cut an arrow into the floor to show the one-way system, or we could kit cut it electrical if we've got a kit cut machine that we could do that for you. So yeah, loads and loads of options that we can help out with.